Alright, everybody, fuck it. I don't know. Hopefully, you guys can see me. So, I'm gonna fix the camera real quick. And, like I said, I'm gonna show you guys, just like in the video title, I'm gonna show you guys how to calculate the alkalinity of your saltwater tanks and shit, and everything that's going on, and what alkalinity really means. But basically, all it really means is that what's gonna be the final pH of your water when you have all the carbonate buffers in place or whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys the equilibrium reaction from last time, and we're gonna start working our way and show you how to calculate alkalinity. But like I said, really it's all just the equilibrium reactions of the carbonate system, and yeah. So anyways, we're gonna get started. I'm just gonna reposition the camera. Hopefully you guys can fucking see me and shit. My phones are not fucking working, or I can't access the account. So anyway, so I got a few notes down, but either way, I'm gonna zoom in or bring the camera a lot closer, and we're gonna fucking start. All right. Oh, there you go. Now it's working. Oh, well, anyways, before I move, I just want to say, this shit's been recording, or I'm recording this on April 12th, and it's 2022. And like I said, a lot of motherfuckers, they always copy my shit, and so watch, if anybody fucking takes any of the information I have and they don't really share credit, it's because they fucking suck. And then on future videos, I'm actually gonna, I don't know, I'm gonna show you guys the whoever does that and doesn't give credit. I'm gonna show you guys, because nobody in the saltwater fucking hobby has fucking put a real calculation for alkalinity and shit. So I'm gonna be the first one. And anyways, like I said, I have a whole bunch of knowledge that I want to share with you guys. And if motherfuckers are always taking it and making videos and shit, I'm gonna start pointing them out. Fuck it, you know what I mean? But anyways, let's go and reposition the camera and let's get started. All right. Hopefully you guys can see that right there. There you go. Fucking good enough. I don't know why my phone's all crooked and shit. Or the tripod or some shit. I think one of the legs is a little bit shorter than the position. But anyways, yeah, fuck it, that's good enough. Alright guys, so I wrote down a little bit things. So if you remember last time, I wrote the equilibrium reaction of the CO2. So remember, you're gonna have a CO2 in the atmosphere. So I'm gonna write CO2. All right. So I'm gonna put this as gas. So I'm gonna put a G. All right. So when you have CO2 gas, it's gonna dissolve, or it's gonna form an equilibrium reaction with CO2. Well, you're gonna have it dissolved in the water. So we're gonna write CO2, and then aqueous, AQ, plus H2O, liquid, I'm gonna put an L. Let me see how that shit looks on the camera. Fuck it, good enough. H2O liquid, right? And then that's gonna dissolve, or it's gonna form a reaction. And then you're gonna get the, what do you call that shit? A hydrogen. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me step back. Oh yeah, you're gonna get one of the hydrogen, and you're gonna form the carbonic acid. You're gonna get H2CO. Is it CO2 or CO3? Let me check my notes. Yeah, CO3. Yeah, CO3. Right? So you're gonna get the carbonic acid. So this is carbonic acid. All right. And then the carbonic acid it could disassociate. So, what do you call it? It could disassociate and form another reaction. So I'm gonna write eight. I'm gonna bring it down. All right. I'm just gonna bring this down here. All right. H2CO3, and then this forms a reaction, and where it basically it releases one of the hydrogens in the water. Hold on. Let's say it forms a. I don't know if this is gonna confuse you, but right, it's gonna form water, right? So this fucking shit is gonna. I don't know if you want to put water in here, but fuck it. If I fuck up, fucking let me know. All right. So it's gonna form water, right? But one of these hydrogens is gonna donate to the. One of the protons is gonna donate to the hydrogen, so you're gonna have H. I'm gonna put a 1 so you guys can know what the fuck's going on. CO3, right? Plus H3O. I remember another way to write H3O is just write H plus. You could just put H plus or a proton. But you see that? You donated one of the protons to the other side. You see that? So that's what's happening, right? And then from there, all right. So now you get this shit right here. This is bicarbonate right here. All right. So I'm gonna take this and then put it down here. H1. CO3, and then this thing it could disassociate. So let's put fuck it. Let's add water again, right? Because it's dissolved in water. All right. This is aqueous. All right. So let's say it does another reaction. All right. And then you form some more fucking some more H3O, right? Plus CO3. And like I said, if I fuck up, let me know, guys. But right, that's what's happening in the water, right? Like I said, these are different types of reactions that are happening in the water. So from carbonate, you get more H3O and CO2. That means carbonate, my bad. And more CO3, and this is carbonate right here. Bam. So all those fucking reactions are taking place, right? So I'm gonna rewrite the whole system down. All right, I'm gonna rewrite the whole shit down, so you guys could follow a lot easier. All right. But I'm gonna take all this that I wrote and then just kind of rewrite it a little bit smaller so I could fill it all the way in one line. I just gotta write small this time, alright? So I got CO2 gas, reaction with CO, what's it called? Oh yeah, CO2 aqueous. I'm gonna write the AQ in the bottom. Plus H2O. And then that forms a reaction to form carbonic acid, H2CO3. Alright, so the hydrogen, it went right here. So you guys can see what the fuck's going on. The hydrogen in the water went this way, and then the remaining oxygen, fuck, I'm gonna write it. It just went over here, so you guys can see basically what's happening. Okay, that's why it goes from H2O to H3 right there. All right. You guys can pretty much see that shit, right? All right, and then that forms another reaction. So I'm gonna erase the arrows. Yeah, if I could fit all this shit up. All right, so then this shit could breaks down. I don't know if you want to call it break down. That's not the proper word, but fuck it, that's what we're gonna say. And then that forms, releases a hydrogen in the water, so we're gonna call it H plus. H plus plus. That shit's fucking funny. Anyways, you're gonna get H1 CO3, right? So all it did was break one of the hydrogens down, and then it left with the one right here. All right, so that's all it fucking did. You see that shit? And then the bicarbonate, it could break down also and release the hydrogen or the proton, H plus CO3. See that shit? That's all, everything that's happening right there. You see that? I was working on shit, can't listen to her chat, but I'll be lurking. Yeah, man, everybody was fucking on, man. Thank you guys for just being here. Alright, so remember, all this shit's in aqueous form, and aqueous, all it fucking means is dissolved in a liquid. Since we're talking about water, it's dissolved in water. Alright? See that shit? So all these reactions are happening with the in your fish tank, alright? So when people talk about global warming and they're talking about CO2 in the atmosphere, so let's say this is the air, atmosphere. All right. So when you get more CO2 dissolved in the atmosphere, the process starts going that way. So from CO2, you'll eventually get carbonic acid. Which goes into what the fuck's that shit? Bicarbonate. Which goes to carbonate. Alright? So when people talk about global warming, for whatever reason, they just stop right here and they don't really talk about this side of the equation, alright? So I'm just letting you know. But that's basically everything that's happening. CO2 in the atmosphere, alright? Alright, so now the next shit that I want to show you guys is are the K values, alright? So alright. But this shit might sound confusing to a lot of people. Alright, anyways. I'm gonna write down a few things. Or equilibrium constants. Hold up. Because I'm kind of lost. Okay, K1. So right where this arrow's at, I'm gonna write a K for an equilibrium constant, and then over here, same thing. I'm gonna call this shit K2 so you guys know what the fuck I'm talking about. Alright, so when you calculate the pH of the water or the concentrations of different shit, this is K1. So we're gonna take this reaction right here, which is H2CO3 is equal to HCO3 minus, I forgot to put minuses, but fucking, alright, plus H2O. I mean, plus just hydrogen. Alright? You see that, guys? So this is one of the first equation, which is basically right here. That's all I did, right? So you gotta to solve the K value, or to find a K value, it's basically a number that's already given. I'm trying to find what the fuck's the K value. Did I write that right? Oh yeah. So the K value for this one is 10. You have to look it up in a chemistry book. 10 to the minus 635. And this is at, what is an equal sign? 10 to the minus 635. And remember, this is all on the back of the book. So every K value, I'm trying to find the other K value real quick. And then for the H1. And then this one is equal to 10. I can't read that shit right. I think it's 10.33 or 10 some shit. Fuck it, whatever the fucking number is. Oh, this says 6.0. Okay, there you go. So you have to find the K values in the back of every single book, okay? I'm just letting you guys know that shit. So now what we're going to find is a K1. Did I call it K1? Fuck it, yeah. We'll just call this K1. Fuck it. Alright, so to find the equilibrium constants, so we're going to get the products over the reactants. So basically, everything on this side, we're going to put it in brackets. So you're going to get HCO3, which is what? Bicarbonate plus the protons in the water over the carbonic acid, which is right there. H2CO3. Alright, I don't like how I wrote that though. Okay. Alright, whatever. Is equal to the K values right here. 10 to the minus 6.35. And all these K values are under 25 degrees Celsius, alright? I'm just letting you guys know. Alright, so there you go. So let's say you add a lot of fuck, this is gonna suck ass. Alright. So let's say you add a whole bunch of this chemical. I'm adding an X amount. So I'm gonna have whatever the initial amount is plus X. Right? So let's say I add about 0.76 molars of carbonic acid, and then wait, minus. This should be a minus, I think. I think it is a minus. Oh yeah, it is minus. It should be minus. Fuck it. We're just gonna fuck it. Correct me if I'm wrong later. All right, so you're gonna add an unknown amount, right? So from going this concentrated, it's gonna go this way. So you're gonna plus X, because a certain amount is gonna go this way. So too with the hydrogens. You see that shit? And then what you're gonna be left off with is I'm gonna write that shit down. So you're gonna get an unknown amount plus another unknown amount over I called it 0.76 minus X. See that shit? Equals 6.35. Alright? And then from there, well, since you kind of put these together, you're going to get X squared. Fuck. I know this shit's already confusing for a lot of people. You're going to get X squared, and then whatever amount in the bottom is equal to, I'm just going to put it equal right here, so I don't have to, alright, so from right here, you go to there, see that shit? You could use the quadratic equation also, but I just wanted to show you guys this shit real quick. I'm showing you a lot more than what I wanted to, but fuck it, you know what I mean? Oh, this is not a plus right here. My bad. Oh well. There you go. That's how you get the x squared. What else am I trying to tell you guys? Well, anyways, fuck it. So we got this amount, right? Now we just basically solve. You get 10 to the minus 6.35 times 0. I just wrote that amount. It's supposed to be a 6. It's just an unknown amount. Like I said, I just put any unknown amount that I added initially is equal to x squared. But to solve x squared, you take the square root, and bam, and then you get x, okay? So then you can fucking plug it in and find out your fucking concentrations of hydrogen and all that shit. And I'm not gonna repeat the whole fucking thing, but you guys get the point. So that was K1. Do the same shit for K2, alright? And basically you'll get the concentrations of all these chemicals. Well, let me write K2 what it's supposed to be. So K2 would be H1CO3 equilibrium with H plus CO3 is equal to K2. And K2 is 10 to the minus 10.33. Alright, so then you fucking do the whole same shit again, alright? So it's gonna be H plus times the concentration. Oh yeah, I should have told you guys that. So whenever I put brackets, you're getting the concentrations or the molar concentrations of each chemical, okay? And remember, it's products over reactants, so I'm just setting you guys up. You guys could fucking do the math later, or alright, see that shit? So then you solve the concentrations of all the fucking chemicals at once, alright? But I'm just setting you guys up. If you guys want me to actually start solving shit, fucking start fucking subscribing, fuckers. Alright. So now what's the... So I'm gonna erase this, alright? The K values. Alright, so once you get the actual concentrations of everything, right? So what this means, if you add CO3 in the system, eventually you're gonna get some more CO2. If you add more CO2, eventually you get more carbonate in the system, okay? That's all it fucking means, alright? Fuck, a lot of shit just to fucking tell you guys. So what is it that you guys were actually fucking here for? Was to solve for alkalinity, right? I need to get a new marker. So the alkalinity equation. So if you want to find out the exact fucking alkalinity of your fucking water, this is what you got to do, alright? So alkalinity is basically getting the concentrations of the carbonates and bicarbonates, hydroxides, and let's call this, so anyways, I'm gonna call this exact. So there you go. Is that even how you spell exact? No, it fucking ain't. That's why it looked weird. Alright, so if you want to find out the exact alkalinity, I'll tell you guys the equation, alright? So like I said, if you see any other fucker in YouTube that does saltwater fish and shit, and they write this down, you know they fucking copied my shit, or fucking, they saw my fucking video, and then they made a video, alright? So anyways, so once you do all that K value shit that I just fucking did, I'm gonna call that K1 again. Call this shit K2. So once you figure out the concentrations of everything, so this is the exact fucking way to get the alkalinity, alright? So you get the alkalinity, you get the concentrations of, what is this? HCO3 What the fuck is HCO3? HCO3, that's it's the same thing as colin 1. That's bicarbonate, so you get the bicarbonate. Alright. You get the concentration of bicarbonate plus CO3. I just noticed that it's a 2 minus right there. All right. So you get the concentration of you get the concentration of carbonate in the water plus what do you get? The hydroxide and the H plus. So you get the concentration of hydroxide OH minus plus the concentration. Should we call it H plus or H3O? Fuck it. Let's go H3O. I like saying H3O, guys. But it's the same shit as H plus in the water or protons in the water. But carbonate. There you go. And then that's hydroxide, and then that's fucking H3O. All right, so that's the exact concentration to get your alkalinity. But if you want to simplify this shit to get alkalinity, so this is the exact alkalinity of your water. Just take the amount of bicarbonate and carbonate in your water, and you'll get your exact alkalinity. Oh, also add those. But if you want to just simplify the whole shit, don't worry about this side of the equation, all right? Bam. And that's how you fucking solve alkalinity. So remember, you got to figure out with the fucking equations that I just showed you, you figure out the concentration of everything in the water, and then this is carbonic acid. Don't worry about the carbonic acid. So you get the concentration of this. Put it right there. And carbonate. Bam, right there. Just get the concentration of those and add them up. And basically you'll get the alkalinity of the water. Alright, guys? What else did I want to show you guys? Oh yeah, and then another thing about alkalinity, everything's based on calcium carbonate. So basically, your coral skeleton, all right? So that's also really important. So alkalinity is really based on the calcium carbonate. So when you add calcium to the water, so we're gonna add calcium. So let's say you add calcium to this reaction plus calcium. I forgot if it's a +2 or a +1. Hold on. Oh, it's a +2. So calcium's a +2. So what this is gonna do is gonna form a reaction with this shit. So your corals are gonna form a reaction with that. You're gonna get calcium and then carbonate. And that's your fucking what do you call it? That's the coral skeleton right here. Man, fuck it, I'm writing sideways and shit, but that's the coral skeleton right there, all right? So that's all the fucking alkalinity means, guys. You're taking the buffers. So to figure out what the buffer is, you take the acid and its conjugate base, or base and its conjugate acid. So this is the acid, and here's the conjugate base. And then if you look at it through over here, this is the acid, and then the carbonate, the conjugate base. Okay, guys? Like I said, it's all a fucking buffer system. But that's fucking pretty much what alkalinity is and how you solve alkalinity. All right, guys? So you get the amount of the bicarbonate and carbonate in the water, and you figure out the alkalinity of the water. Okay, so that's all it fucking means. That's pretty much it, guys. Ain't fucking. I want to say there's nothing to it, but it's a lot more fucking complicated talking to you guys about it. But I don't know if I should just put more information. Like I could put the different K values on there, but fuck it. What else did I want to tell you guys? I think that was pretty much it. But anyways, like I said, there's nobody else in the fucking oh, let me show you another graph. So now we're gonna graph everything, all right? I'll show you guys some fucking graphs, cause show you guys a picture of what the fuck is happening in the water. Fuck. 4 to 11. All right. So here's the pH scale. I need to get a new marker. So we're gonna start off with the pH of 4 right here, and then 11 over here. All right, guys. So remember, it goes to 0, and then right here it goes to 14. But you don't need to worry about that shit. You're gonna see why. So I'm gonna draw 2 lines. What the fuck's the center? 8. Around 8. So we're gonna call this around 8 right here. Somewhere in the middle. I think that's the middle. That's fucking terrible right there. Well, anyways, fuck it. You guys get the point. And then the other graph that I'm gonna show you, you guys can fucking search this shit up. All right. Anyways, so let's say okay, there you go. That's what I wanted to do. All right, so I'm gonna draw a graph. So when the pH is around this side, the chemical, because everything's depending on temperatures, standard temperatures and pressures. So when the pH is lower than 8, you're gonna have more carbonic acid in the water. H2CO3. The fuck. And then when your pH is closer to salt water, you're gonna get a lot of bicarbonate or baking soda in the fucking water. All right. So then this is gonna be H1 CO3. And then when your pH is higher than 8, you're gonna have a lot of carbonate in the fucking water. 2 minus. There you go. All right. So that's a graph that I wanted to show you guys. So in salt water, our pH is around 8.3. So you're gonna have a large concentration of bicarbonate. Or fucking baking soda. And with a slightly smaller amount of carbonate. All right. There you go. So, so to dose your aquarium, the easiest form that's a lot easier to do, so you don't fuck shit up so bad, you want to dose baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate. NaH1CO3. All right. And then to dose the carbonate, the easiest one to do is sodium. Wait, if that has 2 minus, well, hold on. Sodium has a +1 charge, so it has to have a 2 right here. Bam. There you go. So you could dose both of these 2 chemicals, will give you the alkalinity of the seawater. See that? Bam. Fucking, I just did all the work for you. So to calculate the alkalinity of seawater, calculate how much fucking carbonate and sodium bicarbonate and sodium carbonate in the water, and you'll fucking figure out your alkalinity. So both of these, if you remember the equation I just did, take the molar concentrations of those shits, and then basically that's your alkalinity of the water. See that shit? Bam. We're fucking done. We're fucking done. So now it's time for fucking seminar, which basically I'm gonna read all you guys' questions and shit, because I know you guys have a lot of questions. I saw some questions right now. But fucking basically that's it. And then trying to see if there's anything else I want to show you. But yeah, man, that's fucking basically it. That's what's happening in the fucking water. So remember, when your pH is around 8, you want to have more fucking baking soda compared to the sodium carbonate, okay? So that's why you always see me adding baking soda to the water, because it's a lot less harsher. This has a pH around 8, and then this has a pH around 11. So you got to be careful when you add a sodium carbonate. And if you want to make sodium carbonate out of baking soda, you got to heat it up to like 400 degrees. You basically bake it, and you take out the water and the CO2, and you get the sodium carbonate, okay? But fucking, that's pretty much it, guys. Fucking, just for future references, I'm gonna write down some K values, okay? So, the K value of this one, nah, we're just gonna skip that shit. Yeah, I don't know if I should skip it or should I put it on just for future references in the video for me. Yeah, we're gonna skip all that shit. But basically, guys, that's fucking all it right there. I just summarized fucking everything that's happening in the saltwater for you guys. So remember, to figure out the alkalinity, just take the concentration of carbonate. Of bicarbonate and carbonate, and that equals your alkalinity. And from the alkalinity, like I said, you're basically, another way to say alkalinity is you're calculating the pH of the water, or the pOH, which basically it's the opposite. And to figure out the concentration, I think it's the negative log base of the concentration of hydrogen. That equals pH. I think that net negative's there. I can't remember. Log base of hydroxide is equal to the pOH. And we're fucking done, guys. Fuck it. That's all I wanted to talk about. I was gonna put the different K values, but I really don't want to do that shit. I don't want to write everything down. But let's say the last K value that I was going to do is a K value of calcium carbonate. Anyways, I'm just writing that down for my future references, alright guys? You don't need to know that shit. I just want to have it on video so I don't have to fucking search that shit up again. But anyways, we're gonna fucking take questions, fucking check out you guys' bullshit, see what you guys are saying, but that's everything that's happening in the seawater. I know I probably confused most of you motherfuckers, but it's alright. Mo, what's the formula for kri-kri? I still don't know exactly what that is, bro. Yo, I'm working that shit. Can't wait, listen and chat much, but I'm looking for a bit. All right, I can thank you for joining. Fernie, what's up? HB, at what point to I crush it to make them meth? Asking for a friend. Fucking Fernie, dude. Hey, man. I'm watching my food on a lunch date. Good shit, bro. That's awesome, Fernie. Brenda, co-host. Atkins, what's up? That's it, Fernie. Fernie, what did you order? I'm driving to the bank. Oh, Brenda, that's good, man. Brenda's a baller, man. HB, how do I subtract the fentanyl from my 8 ball? Ah, shit. I gotta find out what's the molecular formula of fentanyl. I got some fajitas, rice, and beans. SMO, yeah, it should be playing too much. Oh yeah, anyways, you guys don't want to fucking look at the board. Let's go switch you guys to the fish tank for now. Bam. And then yesterday, guys, I moved that motherfucker. Fucking the enemy moves the fucking spots again. Now it's in the bottom corner right there. You can't even see it. Fucking an enemy, I don't know. Shit, man, I got a lot of comments already. Man, I think I lost some comments. Fernie showing off. We don't know what the hell those codes mean. Show us the real stuff. How do I get my homie chemistry set going? You want to get your home chemistry set going, bro? For sure. It's called KY, not K1. Brenda. The fucking KY jelly. Don't worry, we'll use that. No worries. Yes, Mo, you see him keep looking at his phone. He cheating. He don't know it. Yeah, I had to look at the fucking the K values and shit. Co-host time messed up already. I was on a date last night. Ciao. Just kidding. Brenda, damn heartbroken. Fernie, the most composed I've ever seen HCB. Must have hit the bowl to calm his nerves. For reals, huh? Mo, don't be messing with them M3s, M30s. HCB, my niece is 4 and her writing is more eligible than yours, loco. Damn, bro. I know, man. It's just that marker's running out of ink and it's kind of hard to write on that bitch. And it's hard to write sideways. Alright. And then my glass is all fucking dirty again. Mo, I know, right? Brenda, nah, don't mess with nothing, just jokes. I heard those M30s no good. Brenda, how was your date last night? Mo, 30s though. They lacing everything nowadays. It's not safe. Yo, what's up, S? Rainer, what's up, G? S, I'm here to learn how to make my boy say kri kri, that's all. Is it kri kri or cry cry? I don't know. Can't believe you guys never heard of term kri kri. I don't do drugs like that, bro. I don't fucking know. I don't even know the difference between carga and fucking scante. What's the other shit? I don't know. I can't fucking put them in together, bro. I don't know that shit. HB, you know those complicated equations, but can't spell no mames. It's easier to write numbers than anything. Fernie, it was the bomb.com. Mo, they are nasty. I've never done them, but smell like burnt popcorn. I know everything has a name for it, but since I ain't around, I'm not out of the loop. Yes, the warehouse fools say tiene cri-cri. I know H2O. Hell yeah, Brenda, that's what's up. I think up there I only wrote like H2O a few times. And And then H3O is basically the acid form of water. And then OH is the basic form. Brenda HCB is going to get jealous. Yeah, I'm pretty jealous, bro. Tetrahydrocannabinoids. Oh, the THC shit. The warehouse foods. Brenda, stay away from all of it. Not even worth it. Brenda, did he hit a home run or at least get to second base? I hit a home run, bro. I'd rather buy a test kit. Yeah, this math too complicated. Yeah, for reals, Brenda. I'm just showing you guys what's happening in the water, and you're supposed to be measuring. You're supposed to be testing everything, but I'm the only motherfucker that doesn't test shit. If I had the test kits, I'll be testing it with you guys, but fuck it. Mo, you already been working crazy ass hours. You need to be on the go. Filthy Rich. Oh yeah, Filthy Rich. What's up, bro? Thank you for joining, man. Tell us about your day. What you mean, nothing to it. Doesn't the test kits do this for you with all that chicken scratch on the board? Yeah, bro. When you buy test kits, that's what it's basically measuring. When I used to grow marijuana, I used to have my pH, my plant's food, so they could take it in efficiently. Hey, bro, I have a fertilizer that works for plants and shit. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the results of my experiment from last time in the freshwater shit. Filthy, I was the grand slam. Brenda, hard labor for sure. Damn, lucky dude. Mo, yes, it's in the warehouse in Seattle. They work 4 a.m. till 7 p.m. Damn, 4 a.m. to 7 p.m. Shit, filthy. You used to use peroxide. Peroxide, man, you gotta be careful with that shit with plants. Hey, Reef and Recon, bro, thank you for joining, man. For any guess, the test kit is easy. Brenda, Henry, don't. I don't get that, Brenda. Don't cross me out, or don't. Some shit. Brenda, you cheated. All right. Anyways, no, mainly pH down solution to make it slightly acidic, just a little biff, or a little bit. Henry, I send you $5 cash app. Oh shit, Brenda, thank you so much for the donation. Honestly, guys, fucking follow Brenda's lead. Everybody fucking go to the cash app and start donating. Help fucking sponsor some of the chemicals and shit that I need. Oh yeah, I was gonna follow this fucking lecture. I mean, right now we're in seminar, but I was gonna do the lab and shit to show you guys the chemicals. But fuck all that shit. I might do that last time because I added both the baking soda and carbonate into this water, or what is it? Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, and then the sodium carbonate into the water, and then look at my corals, man. They're fucking popping out. Let me get a little bit closer. And then again, algae's killing some of the corals, but fuck the algae. But yeah, Brenda. Anyways, thank you, Brenda, for donating. Honestly, you're a real support to the channel. Honestly, Mo. Yeah, it's crazy ass hours. A lot of work loading containers with airplane parts. Brenda, did he send me $5 for the bucks? Fernie, those $5 were mine. Fernie, that's slave labor though. If they don't do it, they'll probably be fired though, huh? Yeah, pretty much, bro. Fernie, I'll send you 10 for the bean. No, send me 10. Nah, I was playing. Hopefully they getting paid at least. Yeah, hopefully. I don't have fixed working hours, but I have to work every day and night. Oh yeah, Rainer, I don't know if I said what's up, bro, but thank you for joining, man. Mad. Pichi Cochillo. Noted check. Rainer, what do you do? Mo, no, they have to stay OT if they don't want to. Home nursing, not much. Rainer, okay. Fernie, yeah. Right, that's what they all say. Hey, Mr. 213, saludo, man. Thank you for joining. Filthy Rich, Glee equals Crystal. Oh, see, now you fucking cleared it up. Thank you, Filthy Rich. I was wondering what the fuck was that. Get close to the tank, fool. Let me I'm gonna wipe down the glass on the tank because I know I got a lot of salt creep in that bitch. But let me get you guys even closer. Let me wipe down the glass real quick. Fucking let's use this one. Damn it. Hopefully that shit's better, guys. There you go. Oh yeah, I also don't know exactly what the fuck the Pookie is. Is that math? I don't know. Get close to the tank, food. Tapping in from work break. All right, Mr. 213, thank you for joining, man. My name's did the same thing with my torch. My name's did the same thing with my torch. Oh yeah, bro, fucking dude, it's fucked up, dude. Yesterday the enemy was up here and now it's over here. Oh, and then the sea urchin, you see it starting to fucking move out and about. Say no to drugs, kids. Carga equals heroin. Scante equals meth. Oh, there you go, Brenda. The love. Thank you for joining. I mean, thank you for telling me. I didn't know what the fuck is which. Oh shit, then I know some. Oh man, that's terrible, bro. Ah fuck, I know someone told me that's doing one of those, and damn, now I'm. Fuck, be like that explains a lot. Anyways, back to the subject. Say no to cigarettes too. Yeah, man. Say no to everything, bro. Fucking all that shit's addicting, bro. I'll teach you lessons, Henry. Cash at me. All right, for sure, Brenda. Hey, muchos besitos. Carga heroin, scante man. No, neta, que sí. One day I'll quit. Oh yeah, 2 and 3, man. I feel you, bro. I don't know, man. I don't tell people what to do, but I always say try to be healthy as possible. Jugo PCP. Ahora está una agua fresca, una de la que caiga. Filthy, remember the dipped cool sticks in LA? Compton has always had the best agua. For some reason I was thinking of agua fresca. Shipping dates. Oh yeah, Rainer, I'll get back to you on the shipping dates, bro. Or the shipping update. Give me a little bit of time. M30s are the blues, which are the little pills, and blue very small. They smell nasty when they burn them to smoke them, like burnt popcorn. Oh, so those are what M30s are. I thought M30 was a type of gun. Ah, fucking shit. Break over. Everyone have a freedom day. All right, 2 and 3. Thank you for joining. I was 17, smoking with ones, frying my brain, shaking my head. Yeah, bro. You gotta be careful with that shit. The best thing about home nursing is that I can spend a lot of time at home in front of my tanks. Hell yeah, Rainer. That's what's up. Brenda smoked them. I thought they just popped them or crushed them. Interesting. The Pookie is the meth pipe. HCB water nerd. Damn, HCB laugh mouse. It just hit him. Hey, Nay, what's up? Thank you for joining, Nay. I was showing you guys, I was showing everybody a little bit of chemistry and shit. Shit that I always had to fucking do in class or in the lab or whatever. I'm out. Peace out, everybody. All right, Filthy. Thank you, man. Just stop by to show some love. All right, Nay. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, Nay. I saw one of your videos on rapping and stuff. It was pretty cool. Winner, yeah. I need to figure out how to work from home. I feel tired of people. Yeah, Mo. Fucking. People get fucking tiring, and at the same time, they help you learn how to sell. Pookie is a meth pipe. Shit. What's up, Brenda? Finally, I caught up, guys. Fucking tired, man. Like I said, I was gonna follow this lecture with the lab, but fuck all that shit. Like I said, I'm experimenting with the source of carbonate and like I added it to the water, but on the small tank I added a lot of it, and then I had to frag my rainbow Monty and shit, cause yeah, I kind of burned it with the chemicals and shit. I know you guys probably can't see it, but there's a frag of rainbow Monty there, and then I put some over here. The one in the middle was the one that was dying on the other system, so I just broke it off so I could try to stop the spread of the STN, or slow tissue necrosis. But fuck it, man. Fuck it. But other than that, everything's fucking solid, man. And man, I said, oh yeah, so I was gonna show you guys the results of the fertilizer. Look at this. See that I've seen new growth right there. Another one right there. That's a new leaf right there. New leaves right here. Not that one, but the ones next to it. I think this is a new leaf. I'm not too sure. But see that, guys? The fertilizer shit worked. And then the base of this, you see how it was initially dying? It fucking stopped dying. But yeah, man, that fucking shit worked. Like I told you guys, my salt, or the fertilizer salt that I fucking threw in here, works. And then anyways, this is the tank I didn't want to show you guys, but I'll fucking show you guys anyways. So like I said, I burnt the rainbow Monty and I cut it up and I fragged it. And there's little bits of rainbow Monty still left on there that I want to grow. Hopefully it grows, but I just didn't want it to fucking die all the way, so I broke the colony up. So that kind of sucked. But anyway, that's what you get when you're fucking experimenting with fucking chemicals and shit. But everything else fucking looks pretty solid. See that shit? Oh yeah, the piece of the Raja, I can't believe that shit's still fucking alive. See a little piece of Raja Rampage right there? That shit's still alive. And there's little pieces down here. But I don't know, guys. I'm always experimenting with some fucking shit. So fuck it, you know what I mean? But those are the tank updates. And like I said, hopefully I didn't kill the rainbow Monty. So I put it in these two different systems. But honestly, I should have put it in here a long time ago, so I could have had a healthy colony or a piece of it. Now it's like see little pieces everywhere. But fuck it, you know what I mean? And then guys, if you guys want to get a little fish tank, like I said, just look at the video description. I put links to a tank that I like, and then the same light I got. If you want a stronger light, fucking hit me up, and then I'll show you guys a stronger light. Just know it's going to be more expensive. Nay, you miss HCB giving us lessons on how to make kri and color code it. Back to work for us broke people. Yeah, have a good one. All right, Fernie, thank you for joining, man. Bye, Fernie. But yeah, guys, fucking that was pretty much it for the lecture. And then like I said, this guy, he really loves the chemical I'm adding. They all love it so far. And like I said, I just gotta wait for the sea urchin to start eating everything. The sea urchin's right there in the back. See that? It's fucking finally moving. That motherfucker survived. I need to name him, so if you guys have a name for him, fucking let me know. And then that coral that was up here, I moved it right here temporarily. I'm thinking about putting these two together or more closer to each other, just to give it like a. I don't know. I might end up removing a lot of corals or moving them to different spots and then getting different corals as soon as the algae's gone, guys. But that's pretty much what I'm thinking about. And yeah, man. And much shout outs to Brenda. I'm gonna get some more corals because yeah, man, she keeps donating, so I'm probably gonna get another. Cause I only buy like $10 pieces or cheaper, but yeah, man, that's my next thing. Just get rid of the algae. Most of the algae is gone, and then I'm gonna add corals, and we should be solid. So yeah, let me feed the fish, and like I said, we're pretty much done, guys. Fucking start posting your last shits, your last comments. And then if you guys have any ideas for future videos, fucking let me know. And like I said, I'm working on different videos, edited videos, so I should upload them pretty soon. But anyways, fucking yeah, man, that was pretty much it. That was pretty much it. But yeah, guys, so I think I'm gonna call this all done. I'm done with the lecture and shit, but I might start heading off pretty soon. I'll probably stay on for like another 2 minutes or so. Just watching the fish eat, so you guys can enjoy the tank and shit. But yeah, but anyways, thank everybody that joined, and thank you, Brenda, for the donation. Hold on, let me click out of there. So yeah, we're just gonna be observing the fish, and like I said, guys, it's pretty much the end of the. Man, but seriously, Brenda, thank you. All right, peace out, y'all. All right, Mo. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the end. Fucking thank you guys for watching my shit. Next time, like I said, we're gonna be doing new shit with the tank. Like I said, I'm gonna start taking out corals that have died or are dying, and maybe I might start putting new ones in or relocating a lot of the corals, because I don't know if I really like this guy there. I'm gonna tell you guys the truth. I just put him there, so I said fuck it. But anyways, yeah, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go, and thank you guys for watching.